Hello pool fans, my name is Udo Kaschek and I'm from the billiard club in Alsdorf, and today I want to present you the unboxing video for my new Longoni TJB break and jump cue, which is coming out of the Niels the Terminator Feijen break series. In a former video I have showed you the unboxing of my new Flames cue. This is very amazing to play. I'm very happy with it. If I make some shooting faults, then it's my fault, it's not from the cue, as always. But anyway, to be honest, the Longoni TJB breaker comes already yesterday, and I didn't have the patience to wait till today, where I'm in our club, and I can show you what's inside of the box. I have opened the box already. And in the box, it is very protected. It's very secure to send how they send the cues on the way, and it comes in the first part. This is my Longoni TJB break and jump cue. Let's open it. How does it look like? It comes like this way. There you can see the Niels Feijen sign. It's a very, very nice cue. It's a very nice break cue. It comes with two shafts. The first shaft is an S2 VP2 brake shaft. It's a wooden shaft. It's very nice, very fine to clean, to play with. And the second shaft is a full wooden jump shaft. You can see the difference here in the writing of the shaft. The difference is the tip, because beside the wood, the kind of wood, it's the tip. It's a phenolic tip where you can really easy jump with it. The cue is not only a break cue. You've got these nice Longoni protectors, and if I put maybe the wooden S2 on it, you can see it here. It feels very, very powerful. It's easy to play with it. I find out today if my expectations were coming true. But the most important thing is that this wooden shaft is detailed in 3 pieces. You've got the whole cue, it's a break cue. Then you can open it here. Then it's a short jump cue. And the longer butt, always you could tie it up twice. Then you've got a longer jump shot when you want to play long jump shots. It's coming with a leather wrap on it. It's very handy. It's nice to feel. But the actual product line of Longoni has from Niels Feijen 2 breakers. This is the TJB jump and break cue. And today comes out the newer version, the TB-22 and the TJB-22. But as I have seen, you could tie it only twice into, I think, this kind here, where you got only a double butt. But the new TJB -22 comes with a new Lunanera brake shaft. It's really cool shaft, and I've ordered it additional. So you can see it here. It's a very nice carbon fiber shaft, and I have ordered it not the new, because I want to find out which shaft is more precise, which shaft is more powerful, the wooden shaft or this carbon fiber shaft. It feels very smooth. You didn't have to play with a glove. You can play it easy with your skin. It's not a problem. It's very, very tiny and smooth. What I want to say is I have selected this choice because I want to know which kind of brake combination is the best for me. You didn't have to do it as yourself. You could easily only order your TJB or your TJB -22. It's your choice. I just want to find it out, and that's why I ordered it. Two different informations for you. First of all this stuff is buying by me. It's buying by my own money. It's not a commercial video. That's what I have get some questions about my last unboxing video. I do it because I'm very I think the quality of these products is so high, and it values the money, so that Longoni earned this this video to show you that also amateur players were happy with the products. And you can see it here. It's really handmade. It's very nice stuff. All the materials worth the money. And if you see these cues here from the Niels Feijen line, it's absolutely amazing. It's really cool, and I want to thank my buddy Ralf, where I bought these stuff. He gave me a lot of information, and I want to give you the tip. Please contact Ralf Mrnka. You find him on pool-more.com. This is the patch where you can see it, where you can order the stuff. It deserves to be a really good public knowing from the quality of the products. As always, as I said, I've already ordered the Longoni Giotto bag. It's handmade. It's quality #1. That's what I want to say, and I could only give you the information. If you want to change your stuff, if you don't want to go on the mainstream, if you don't want, if you're searching for some new products, please contact Ralf. Find out what he can do for you, find out which products were the right for you. He has a lot of experience, and He can consult you in your questions. He gives you a lot of answers and the opportunity to find the right cue set, and some additional stuff. It's amazing. It's really amazing. That's what I want to say. I love this stuff, and I'm always. The last part, I'm waiting for the last part of from my order. It's the Longoni Luna Nera Imago. In my former video I've called it Novela, I think. That's the wrong name. Novela is a cleaning shape for these Luna Neras shafts. It's called Luna Nera Imago because on the tip you've got a white plate, and for me as an older player it's easier to find the right point with my not so good eyes where I have to stroke on the white ball. But anyway, I'm excited to find out if this breaker deserves my expectations, and now I want to play. I'm sorry for that. I rip it off, and I want to have some fun. As I said, go on pool-more.com. You find solutions. Have a nice day. I want to shoot some balls. Bye-bye.